Stocks are crashing week by week, month after month. Hey guys, this is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo, and for the past couple of years, I've been ringing the bell for you guys to let you know that the economy is going to be crashing, and it's probably going to crash harder than it ever has in the past decade or 2 decades or 3 decades, okay? And here's the reasons why. Stocks are bubble. Bonds are bubble. Interest rate is all-time low. Inflation all-time high. The value of a dollar is very low. The dethroning of the petrodollar. I could go on and on and on and on. People are in debt. Nations all over the globe are in debt. And as you can notice in the past weeks and months, stocks are coming down. They're coming down slowly but surely, okay? It hasn't been a massive drop, but there's been a couple of massive drops, but slowly, not significantly, okay? And the great news is, guys, this is not a gloom and doom audio. The great news is that with this change coming, there's going to be tremendous wealth that's going to be transferred over. For example, I'm going to get very wealthy. As you guys know, I've let go of all my stuff. I give it to all the homeless. I went to live homeless myself, and so I'm starting all over. And in this next crash, I'm going to work extremely hard to build my wealth in the next couple of years when the crash comes. And I'm very, very excited, and that's why I've been, ringing the bell for you guys, okay? Because in the next crash, it's going to be a subject to heaven. What does that mean? In the next crash, there's going to be so many people that they're not going to have equity, and they're going to be very motivated, and they're willing to sell their home via owner financing. They're willing to sell their home without you'd have to go to a bank to get a loan. They're willing to sell their home with you just taking over their payments, or doing master leases where you just lease the property out to them for their mortgage, and you turn around and re-rent it for a higher price. So all these sellers are going to be motivated because the news is going to be telling them that real estate is taking a big hit. The radio, the newspapers, the TV. When they drive down their street, they see all these houses foreclosure or short sales, and the realtor is going to be talking about. Everybody's going to be talking about how shitty it is, and therefore, people are going to panic and, think that it's worse than it is, and they're going to start selling, and that's when they're going to take losses, guys. And then this brings a great opportunity for people like myself and people that have been watching my channel, because now they know there's an opportunity, because when everyone's going right, I'm going to go left into the fire, and I'm going to buy these properties by just taking over their payments or using some type of creative financing like an option, like rent to own, etc., wrap, subject twos, and so on, master leases. And so I'm going to be able to pick up properties for basically no money down or very little money. And I definitely don't need to use my credit, and I don't need to go to a bank to get a loan. So therefore, the seller is going to basically become my lender. And it's going to be a great opportunity for me to pick up a bunch of rental houses. And the great news is, at this time, since people are losing their homes and selling their homes, they're downsizing. They're looking for rental properties, and rents are going to be going up. And since I'm a professional buy and hold guy in the past, I've done it since 2000. I think I forgot. 2007, 2008. All the way down to 2016, 2017. So I've done it for, quite a long time, almost 10, 12 years. So, I have a great understanding of how to be a landlord and make properties cash flow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy all these properties up for no money down or very little money, or just step in the seller's shoes and just take over the payments, and buy anywhere from 50 to 100 properties in the next crash. And I'm gonna, not only last time I only bought in Texas, this time I'm gonna buy in Denver, Colorado. I'm gonna buy in Boulder. I'm gonna buy in Superior, Colorado. I'm gonna buy in Las Vegas. I'm gonna buy in Florida, Palm Coast. I'm gonna buy in different areas where I didn't understand it the first time that I got into business, which was 2007, actually 2006, fourth quarter, when the market start to tank. Okay, before that I didn't invest in real estate. I was an entrepreneur. I had a moving company for 14 years. So but this time, since I got wiser, I'm gonna buy properties everywhere in America that I've already, explored and know the area. When I decided to go on my journey of, humbling myself like Buddha and Christ by going homeless and giving everything I have to homeless people. So that said, I'm very excited for this crash to come. Sounds mean. I'm not excited that people are going to lose their money, but I'm excited that I'm going to have an opportunity, and many other people like yourself are going to have opportunities to actually, make moves and come up. Sure, it's going to be very, very risky for me to buy properties when it's down, but I don't think so. But there's risk and everything, so I just want to put that out there. I'm not giving any of you guys, legal or financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. This is just my opinions. So when the crash comes, I'm just going to buy a bunch of property and rent it out, get massive cash flow, wait around 5 to 7 to 10 years through the market turns around again. At the very top, I'm going to cash out or sell a couple of them and then keep the remaining for my daughter. So that's my action plan. I'm excited. The stocks keeps dropping and dropping, and I'm very happy that it's dropping. Sounds pretty messed up, but I am happy, and I'm ready to capitalize on this opportunity when there is blood on the streets, dude. If you've been watching this videos and you found value in it, please share. Leave a comment. What do you think about the crash? What do you think about, my action plans for the crash? What are your plans when the crash comes? And if you think, this content is valuable, if you know any other entrepreneur, then share this with them. Thanks for watching. Hustle and bustle. Don't take no for answer, and be your dreams.